Today we have for sale a Smith & Wesson 25-3 125th anniversary engraved revolver. They made these in 1977 and they put out about 10,000 of the standard ones and only 50 of these Class A factory engraved, which makes this really unique, tough to find. It's got some really nice floral engravings on it. The original factory grips. This is also a complete set with the mahogany display case, the Smith & Wesson coin, commemorative coin. Comes with a 125 Years with Smith & Wesson book by Roy Jinks. What's unique about this one I haven't seen out there is it also comes with a 45 ACP cylinder as well as the standard 45 Colt cylinder. This thing appears to have been kept in really well condition and hardly shot, if at all. You just don't find these full sets engraved in this condition.